some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life.
Good morning, babes. Welcome back to another vlog. Okay, baby, I am whispering because it is currently, let's see, it is currently 3:06. I have been up since 2:15. I am going to be leaving here at 3:15. Eric is still asleep, so we gotta whisper. But I just wanted to start this vlog and let y'all know, baby, we is giving ATL. We is going to ATL, okay? Now, this trip is strictly for business. It's not for fun. I'm basically going with my boyfriend's mom. If you guys don't know, she owns an interior design business called Found My Niche, FMN, and we have a client that is in Atlanta. So we are flying to Atlanta today and coming back tomorrow. I'm super excited for her and her business, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with us on the trip, baby, because that's what I do. I'm a vlogger. Okay, period. It's like, no. But yeah, y'all, let me show y'all my little airport fit. I'm going to put on my Suey Coke slides. Super easy to take on and off at the airport. Y'all, I need a pedicure bad, okay? Hopefully no one looks at my toes. So I'm wearing the Aritzia leggings, this black tank top from Kith, and then I have this pullover from Kith that I'm also gonna put over top. We're gonna head out. I'll see you babes at the airport, and then I'll see you babes in Atlanta. So let's go.
Hey, Puma hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Shelly, boy, mon bec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get.
Hey y'all, so it is many days later. The last thing you guys saw was like a little montage of me in ATL. I didn't really vlog much in ATL. We were there for just a short period of time. I did want to show you guys a little bit kind of like behind the scenes, see what we were doing, that type of vibe. But we will be going back hopefully soon, and we'll actually be decorating at that point. So I'm super excited for that. But y'all, I haven't talked to y'all in a good little minute since that trip. I just have to fill y'all in on so many things. So number one, went to the dermatologist and she told me I'm allergic to hair dye. Excuse me? I'm allergic to what? How is that possible, ma'am? Like, no. I'm gonna need us to go back to the drawing board. Because, baby, 1 thing's for certain and 2 things for sure, baby. Shaylin loves some hair color. Like, loves. So that kind of disappointed me. I am gonna try to use a different brand. Even though Paul Mitchell is like top of the line, but me and my mom are gonna try to find a different brand with a similar color and see kind of how my scalp responds to that. I was experiencing like, girl, extreme flaking, like, baby, it was giving blizzard, okay? So yeah, it was really bad. So I just thought, girl, I'm just having regular dry scalp, like it's just getting worse. But come to find out, my dermatologist told me, you know, sometimes the scalp can react that way from things you're allergic to or whatever. So I was like, dang, okay. So I am not giving up on hair color. I'm sorry. I made it very clear to her that I was not giving it up. So y'all pray for me on that one because that was very disappointing. Okay, very disappointing. Right now, we are actually on our way to a South Block. I've never been to South Block before. Me and my friend Rosa are meeting there. We're gonna have lunch. Right now, I'm on my little health kick, y'all. I'm so proud of myself. I've went to the gym 3 days out of 5, so I need to go today, and that'll be my 4th day. And then tomorrow's Friday, and that'll be my 5th day. I am just literally trying to get in the mindset of Monday through Fridays, I have to work out. I have to go to the gym. I'm doing Mo's fitness plan again. Girl, I done started that thing so many times, but it's okay because I'm gonna finish it. I'm speaking into existence. I'm going to finish it. There's a lot of things that I haven't been doing that I need to do, and baby, I'm gonna do it, okay? Yeah, like I said, we are on our way to South Block. Apparently they have like more like smoothie, acai bowls, you know, avocado toast, that type of vibe, you know, where you eat something but you could still be hungry after. Yeah, that's what it's definitely giving, but I'm gonna try not to be hungry after. I really like acai bowls, so I'll probably opt for one of those. But I will see you guys once we get to South Block, and yeah.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
Fleet, this ain't talking about heat. Put it on, screw, spread out, screw, screws.
Oh, okay, sir.
Spread out, screw to a penthouse. Spread out, screw to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, niggas talk crazy on tweet. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. I beat these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all on the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Hit the whip, put it up for my seeds. Don't care for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place. Bitch, get out the way. My bitch on your LQK. Yeah, no disrespect. The nigga be tripping, but we love, yeah. Swapping out cars with my bitch. I bought her the Lambo, she bought me the Ray. Swap it. Practice make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never. I see the out of the snake. I take the soul out of the snake. Then I see the bills up out of the bank. The blog and the media fake. Shout it DM me, I'm straight. I'm not gon' bite on the bait. Sipping no toxic waste. On the low with your bitch in this great.
No, you know not anyone. No, I can't wait till we find a way to part ways. Seems like a day in the dark days. Seems like you're bad at the small things. Seems like you're playing it the hard way. We fight through the night all day. I still don't know why.
I know. I haven't talked to y'all in a minute. Like, baby, mama has just been living life, and this vlog, I'm sure, is full of montages, which is a-okay with me because I love montages personally. But I wanted to do a little unboxing with you guys. We're also gonna film like a TikTok at the same time. Got my handy dandy tripod. I will link this tripod down below for you guys. Is it my favorite? No, because it's not like the sturdiest. I actually want to get a new one, but I love this light. I'm about to use this on top of my phone, so I know y'all can see that. And it has like different settings, so you can like change like whatever type of lighting you want. I think I like usually like this one. So I'm going to set this up real quick because I did want to do like a little PR unboxing. I got an exciting PR package from Spanx. Like what? Spanx? Yeah, y'all. Spanx. Not fake Spanx, real Spanx. Okay, baby. Your girl's feeling like a superstar. I know what you are. It's like, nah, I don't feel like a superstar, but I'm super pressed, okay? I am. I'm not even gonna cap to you. But I just finished eating some crabs, so baby. Oh, TikTok. Nobody asked you to show me an ad. If I look a little bloated, it's because I am. I just devoured those crabs, okay? Them crabs was hitting. Okay, this is my little setup. Light on top, boom, phone, and then my tripod. My room is in shambles. I just finished filming a YouTube video too, so yeah. So we'll have that set up so that way I can do both. So I need to sit y'all up on something. I wanted to really quickly show you guys this before I film my TikTok because I am blown away by this purchase. Do y'all see this clutch? How cute is this clutch? Like, how cute. Like, who can guess where I got this clutch from? Girl, let me stop you. Target, baby. And not only was she regularly $25, let me show y'all the tag. Ooh, is it gonna focus? She's regularly $25, but I paid $12. Baby, this is a steal, okay? Like, this perfect, so cute for summer, so cute for vacation. And I love just like how big it is. Like you can fit tons of stuff in here, like tons of stuff. So this was a steal, y'all. Like, I will link this down below. When I looked online, it said they were sold out. I would check your local Target because this is a gem, okay? A gem. And my PJs are from Old Navy and the tank top is from Skims. It's giving Wolford for sure. Could not button it in the back because I'm by myself, but obsessed. Picture this with jeans, sweatpants. Oh, look at this, so cute. From Spanx, I literally need this in every color. Y'all, this is so flattering, this top. Ah, so flattering. All right, y'all, so I just finished filming my TikTok for the Spanx unboxing. I'm still wearing one of the items right now, which is a bodysuit. The only thing that's weird about this bodysuit, I don't think it's really intended to wear outside because it is thinner in this like bust part. Like if I lift it, you can kind of like see through it, but it's super cute, you guys. Spanx sent me some bomb stuff. Cannot wait to shoot this for IG. I'm probably gonna be doing some IG content tomorrow and some more TikTok content. Hey y'all, so I decided that your girl went to go edit this week's vlog and girl, it was not enough footage. I'm like, baby, you have not been vlogging, and it's very true, I have not been vlogging, okay? But I figured I'm gonna upload this vlog today, so let me just vlog a little bit of what I'm about to do right now on my lunch break. If you are a 9-to-5 girl that is also trying to maintain her content, girl, any free time you get, you need to use to your advantage. Lunches are not your free time. That's work time. Your weekends are not your free time. That's work time. So that would just be my advice. Anyways, we need to do quite a bit, so we need to get going. I need to go to my P.O. box because I have stuff in there, PR in there that I need to grab and possibly shoot content for today. And then we need to go to Express. I need to pick up an online order that I made, and then we need to go to Aritzia because I need to do a exchange return for that dress that I bought that had like the snag. I'm not looking cute right now, y'all. I threw on pretty much whatever, like literally just to get out of the house, because whenever I'm gonna create content, I'm gonna get cute anyways, so might as well do that later, get all my errands done. So girl, let's go, let's hurry up. Like I said, we're trying to maximize our time, so let's go ahead and head to our P.O. box. By the way, if you guys want to send me something, you have a business or you're a brand watching this and y'all want to send me something, I will start linking my P.O. box down below. So yeah, let's go ahead, head to the P.O. box, chow, and then I'm gonna bring y'all along with me on the rest of the errands.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap, and your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it.
Okay, y'all, so I am just leaving Tyson's. I forgot to take y'all with me inside Tyson's, but girl, it'd be too crowded. You need to watch your back in there, okay? So anyways, yeah, I am on my way. I'm really hungry, but I'm gonna go back in the house and we are going to get some work done because I need to do work, and then I also need to edit this vlog and get it up for y'all. I'm sure my hair looks crazy because I was in Aritzia trying stuff on. I wish I could have showed y'all, but Aritzia, if y'all don't know, Aritzia's changing rooms, it's just like one big mirror. Like, I'm sorry, I don't want to look at my outfit while other people are looking at me look at my outfit. Like, what the fuck? Like, I can't even like try something on and look in the mirror. Like, say I don't want to put bottoms on with it, I just want to try a shirt on with my drawers. You can't even do that. I just don't like filming in there. But anyways, so we are about to head in the house, get some work done. I'll show you guys what I got from Aritzia Express, and also will unbox that PR package. I really should go back to the post office because y'all, when I was going through my P.O. box, I heard a package fall in the back, like, but I was just like too lazy. I'm like, A, I can't get it, and B, I would have to go stand in line to get it. So I'm debating if I should go back to the post office to get that, but it's getting lazy, so I don't think so. Yeah, we have a lot to do. But yeah, I just wanted to update y'all. We are headed back in the house, so I will see y'all when we get there. Okay, y'all, so I am back home. I wanted to quickly show you guys what I picked up. So we went into Aritzia, which I did not bring you guys along with. They are still having their sale in store, but the only thing is everything is final sale. So I got this little skirt. Girl, it was only on sale for $8. Like, it's normally $98 and I paid $90. So not really much of a sale, but I just had to have her. I just thought this skirt would be perfect to like just style and wear. Like, I could wear this to work. Yeah, I just thought it was super cute and I like the way it fits. It's super flattering. I'm gonna be styling this in a work outfit ideas video, so you guys will see it then. Then I popped in Express and picked up an online order. So I saw Cake with this bag, and me and her, literally, we be thinking alike, and we both wanted the same bag. And when I saw hers, I was like, girl, I know you did not buy that bag and not tell me about it. So I literally saw that this bag was actually on sale. They had it on sale, so I picked it up. I only paid like, I think it's originally 70 bucks. I only paid like 30 bucks for it. So it's basically this silver Bottega. It looks really cheap in this light, but let me move it. So yeah, it looks a little better here. So it's like this silver Bottega inspired little bag. I'm going to a wedding next month, and I definitely needed like a silver little clutch, like pouch type of situation. So I will probably tuck all of this in like this and then just wear it like a little pouch like that. So super cute, definitely a steal for the price. So I will link this down below because it is on sale right now, y'all. So go ahead and cop it for the low. Express be coming through with the gems. Like, I be sleeping on Express, but I need to stop. So I got that. And then we got this PR package from Girlfriend Collective. I only get 2 items. Y'all, I'm gonna have to go back and look at my order. Because I think, I don't know, I feel like I ordered more than 2 items from them, but it's all good. So the first item that I picked up is, it doesn't say what this is called, but it's this cute, like, kind of like one shoulder type top. It's in like this kind of like almost swimwear type of material. I can just tell this type of material is really going to like suck you in, snatch you. I loved the little one shoulder detail, super cute. So you guys will see this on my IG coming soon. And then I got this basic like ribbed top. Super cute, basic, again, really nice, thick quality. It also has like a thick band at the bottom, so I know that's gonna really help to shape and slim your girl. So yeah, this is super cute. I would definitely wear this with like some biker shorts, some sweatpants, some leggings. Super cute vibe. Love, love, love this. That is what I got from them. So you guys will see those on IG styled up soon. Now I'm gonna go ahead, take some time. I'm finished with work for the day. Take some time, watch some Lifetime, and start editing the vlog as well as editing a TikTok that I want to post today. One of my goals is to post at least 1 TikTok a day and then eventually work my way up to 2 TikToks a day. So I need to go ahead and upload a TikTok for today, and then also need to edit my vlog, which shouldn't take me long because I don't have that much footage. It's actually a part of the vlog that you're watching right now. I look crusty, dusty, busty, and musty, okay? But I ain't musty though. I took a shower. I'm not trifling. But yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here and now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, girl, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And baby, make sure y'all stay tuned because baby, there will be definitely more vlogs. Here's a hint. My next vlog, it's a come shopping with me vlog. And I know y'all love those, so baby, stay tuned. All right, you guys, I love you. Bye.